Hello, you guys. I'm calling you from the Netherlands, and today I'm just gonna talk to you guys a short while concerning words. Many times I been listening to a lot of people, on the internet, and I'm thinking, yeah, can I speak like that, or can I use their words, or can I copy the things that they are saying? And then I came to realize that nobody owns words. Words are universal. Anybody could use them. You could borrow them. You could lend them. Well, doesn't make no sense. Sometimes you might say the same words and it have more effect just because you are saying it. So thinking about all of that, I was thinking, wow, that means that I could also inspire somebody. I could also help them out along the way through the journey that they are making. So thinking about all of that, then I thought to myself and I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a small video concerning this. So I'm sitting down on my at my home outside on my balcony, just sitting down flat. And I'm thinking about all you guys out there who are in this system of things, who is struggling, and also because of what's going on, you don't have a work or you don't have something to do. And the question what I ask myself is, how can you progress in this system? First of all, to be clear, you need a strong immune system, meaning your body, you need to take care of it properly. Not only eating well on a regular basis, resting, but also being nice to yourself. Being nice to yourself in order for you to help each other. As you can remember when you were on the airplane the last time, what the lady, the steward or stewardess said, in case of any emergency, when the oxygen come down, you need to take care of yourself first and then the rest. So saying all of this, you guys need to take care of yourself. Make sure your immune system is perfectly in order. And take whatever vitamins you need, but just make sure that you eat well, you have a good resistance, that you could go out there and do whatever you need to do. So, first thing first, look at your diet, look at how you take care of yourself, and make sure you get yourself enough vitamins and minerals for you to perform on a proper level. I take my vitamins and my minerals. I wouldn't say a lot about it, but if you check on my website, on the link here, you could see the vitamins and mineral I take, and you could see also the background of the company and why I take from this specific company and not the rest. And I know out there you have a lot of companies that are great and they're doing their best to make the best product ever, but I choose for this one. So check out my website on buna.com, so like troy.buna.com or .eu, or all over the place you could find me, and you could see what kind of food supplement I use, and I back it up also with good food. So as you can see on my website, I cook in different combinations just to have my body in shape that I could like perform as good as possible. So this is a video encouraging you guys out there to use words and just borrow them and sound good, or maybe even better than all those people who are using just the same words. And also take good care of yourself and you make sure your immune system is strong enough to attack any virus that comes to destroy your system. All right, saying that, I'm gonna sign off today, and I hope you enjoy this short uh, video. So video rock. So you guys take care out there. Be safe. Okay. Bye bye.